Hello everyone, this is Mike. Welcome to my channel, Mike the Tech Savvy. I have a very special video for today. This is an unboxing and a first look of the Xiaomi Mi Band 4 or Smart Band 4 as it's called in Europe, the successor of my trustworthy Mi Band 3 that I'm wearing every day. So let's just hope that inside this package is the Xiaomi band, and yay, it seems like the package description was correct. So here it is, Mi Smart Band 4. This actually means that this smart band is the global version, so color touchscreen as opposed to monochrome touchscreen. 5 atmosphere, water resistant, message view and 20-day battery life. This is quite similar to what the previous version had. This is how it looks in the picture. On the left here, I know for a fact that now it knows how to discern swimming and swimming styles and everything, so I'm really curious to put this to the test. And yeah, Mi Smart Band 4, some specifications, and that's about it. So let's get on with it. How do you open this bad boy? Whoa. Inside the package we have the Smart Band 4. Okay. Here we have the charging cradle, which is very different to how the current one charges, with the Mi logo here. You can see it. Okay, and here we have but the manual. You don't need anything like this, so let's put everything aside and take a look at the band. So let's open it up. Let's just hope it has some juice. Okay, pair first. This is a good sign. So let's take my current daily driver, the Sony XZ1 Compact, and let's just wait for it to pair with my Xiaomi Mi Band 3, so it will sync, and then we can also connect the Mi Band 4. Let's just take a look at the Mi Band 4 while it synchronizes. So it looks basically the same. We have the same thing on the back here. The charging port is now here. Previously it was somewhere on the side. The band, well, yeah, it's quite soft, quite nice. The display is more, well, straight right now. Let's try and pair it with the Mi Band 4. Okay, so confirm on the band. Yes, paired successfully. Whoa, it looks really, really nice. Activate. Yes, activate. Before reactivating, previously paired Mi Band 3 will be stopped. Continue anyway. And now activated device successfully. Okay, let's just wait for it to restore the band settings, and meanwhile let's touch it a bit and see how it looks like. So you have all these menus, which are very similar to what we had with the Mi Band 3, just that now we have a bigger display. We have, I think, a brighter display, and of course we have a color display, which makes a world of difference. It looks much better. It's very similar to the Honor Band 4 if I'm looking at it now, but without the cons. Okay, so the band will be locked when it's removed from your wrist. This is something new. I haven't seen this before. So band lock, multiple sports. Don't like it, next one. Okay, so you can control the music. Try now. Okay, couldn't update. Try again. So as you can see, right now it's updating. I had to, well, close the app once and reopen it. I'm not sure why it didn't work the first time. You might get some minor hiccups, just like this one. If that's the case, just close the app and reopen it. It seems like it's updating quite fast, much faster than the previous Mi Band 3. Until it updates, I will show you one more thing. Seems like in the box I also received a gift. So this is a screen protector which looks really nice and it will be quite useful. This one is still updating. So the previous band, the Mi Band 3, isn't that scratch resistant. Mine has accumulated some scratches on the screen, but this is mostly due to the fact that I haven't really protected it in any way. I haven't really taken care of it. It would be probably a good idea to invest in a very cheap screen protector for your Mi Band 4. Looks like right now it's updating the firmware once again. Looks like it's done. Let's just look into settings, band display settings. Oh, so you have a lot of displays here. Let's just choose one. Doesn't really matter. Let's pick this one. This is very interesting. For the previous one, for the Mi Band 3, we only had like 2 or 3 faces, but for the Smart Band 4 we have a lot of faces. I'm not really sure if more will appear, but still I think you have quite a lot of customizability as of now. So all the other menus look just the same, only the main screen is different. I won't dwell too much on any details. This is only a first look at this band, so let's just take a look at the band in more detail. Looks like here it's the music player. I'm mostly listening on Spotify, so it looks like it doesn't really work. I'm not really sure why. Status, it tells you how many steps you've made, distance, heart rate, workouts, which now has hopefully swimming. Yeah, pole swimming, which I will mostly use. You can, okay, you can adjust the pole size, really nice. Weather, shows you the weather, tomorrow, Wednesday, yeah, okay, not too shabby. Notifications and more. Do not disturb, alarm, music, stopwatch, timer, find device. Whoa, okay. Silent, band display. Okay, so you, whoa, this is really nice. So you have a number of displays that if you download them onto the device, you can choose afterwards. Nice, nice, nice. Brightness. Okay, really nice. Reboot, factory reset, and about. Here's the firmware version. Well, looks like this, which is not bad at all, if you ask me. It's quite comfortable on the wrist, very similar to its predecessor. Let's just take a look at the heart rate, how fast it is. I think it's a tad smaller lengthwise, and yeah, other than that it feels very similar to the previous Mi Band 3, which is not necessarily a bad thing. Okay, so looks like the pulse measurement is continuous somehow, which is very nice. A full review will definitely come on this band, and probably even a comparison with the previous Mi Band 3. This was a first look at the Xiaomi Smart Band 4. I hope it's been a very interesting video for you as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please do press the like button, and if you'd like to see more similar videos in the future, also press the subscribe button. It will be displayed right here in the bottom left part. Thank you so much for your support. I wish you a great day. This was Mike the Tech Savvy. Bye.